Welcome back. Today we're making these chocolate dipped peanut butter cookies. To make the cookie dough, we start by mixing a half a cup of unsalted butter with a third of a cup of light brown sugar and a half a cup of granulated sugar. We're going to mix this on a medium-high speed for a couple minutes until we've properly creamed the sugars and the butter together and it becomes lighter in color. Then we're adding in 1 large egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We mix that on a medium-high speed again until the egg is fully incorporated, and at this point in time I like to scrape around the sides of the bowl just to make sure that everything is properly mixed together. Then we're adding in a half a cup of creamy peanut butter, along with a third of a cup of honey roasted chopped peanuts. You can also use salted peanuts, but I feel like honey roasted really makes these cookies taste extra special. Once those ingredients are fully incorporated, in a separate bowl we're mixing together 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to sift that into our bowl and then pour that into our wet ingredients. At this point in time, we're going to mix this on a low speed just until the flour is fully incorporated, and you want to be sure to scrape around the sides of your bowl to make sure that everything is properly mixed together. Then it's time to scoop out our cookie dough, and I like to use a 3 tablespoon cookie scoop here to scoop out 12 equal-sized cookies. I'm going to chill my cookie dough in the fridge for about a half hour, then roll it out by hand and toss it in some granulated sugar. When you bake these cookies, you want to make sure they're about 3 inches apart from each other because they really do spread as they bake. I also like to use a fork to create that classic crisscross pattern, which I think we very commonly associate with peanut butter cookies. Once all my cookies are ready to go, I pop them into a preheated 350-degree oven and I bake them for 13 to 14 minutes. I like my cookies to be nice and soft and chewy, so I always err on taking them out a little bit early rather than letting them bake for too long. Once the cookies had cooled, I dunked them in some melted milk chocolate. You can really use any type of chocolate you like, that's just what I had on hand. And then I topped the chocolate bits with some more chopped peanuts and a little bit of flaky sea salt. And then to add an extra garnish, I actually took the remaining chocolate, put it in a small piping bag, and drizzled it over my cookies. And just like that, our cookies are ready to be enjoyed. The full recipe is also up on Chelsweets.com. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you guys again soon.